Today I'm going to unbox this cool looking keyboard from HP, wired type keyboard K500Y. This is a membrane type keyboard. The front packaging exhibits the product itself. As you can see here, the keycap's got a unique shapes. It reminds me of the old school typewriter. Here's the look on this side. Another HP logo here. The system requirement windows are good to go, but does not say anything about Mac OS. The model comes in two color options, and mine here's the silver gray. If this is an Apple product, it's probably called space gray. On the back we got the full specifications. It's written in multiple languages. To highlight the features, the buttons durability are up to 10 million clicks, 440 millimeters long, 135 millimeters width. The cable is non-detachable with a length of 1.6 meters, weighted around 698 grams. This is brand new, still got its HP seal on it. Let's open this up. I had unboxed several HP keyboard in the past and they all packaged the same. I like how they always protect the keyboard with this foam on both sides to minimize the damage during shipping. The keyboard also came with these protective layers with HP logo on it. Let's inspect the product. First we got the manual, came in multiple languages. I'll show you all the functions on review sections, no worries. Next is the warranty card, gotta keep this, product notice, and also HP product support informations. Now, first impression, it actually looks good. This membrane keyboard, by the way, it feels a bit rubbery, but in a good way. There is a tactility feels to it. So let me show the inside of it. I had about 4 to 5 HP keyboard in the past. The font style were all looks very similar, but this keyboard is pretty standout thanks to the round keycap design. It has got a matte finish on top, but on the side it's glossy. This will enhance the lighting effect by bouncing it from the side. And the HP logo here does light up. And it also got this tree indicator. The top housing is made of some sort of metal material. HP claimed to be rust and scratch resistance. Here's the USB cable connections made of rubber. It's thin. The length is 1.6 meters. Got the HP logo on it. Here's how it looks on the side. The bottom housing is made of plastic, so the metal part is just covering the top side. The keycap profile are pretty much the same as XDA profile. It's flat across the board. On the back there's two rubber paddings, but no rubber on the top side. There's only this tiny plastic fit protruding a bit. If you're on a desk made of glass, this probably gonna slides around, heads up for that. There's these two flaps you can open to incline your keyboard positions. There you go. Just to let you to know that I'm recording this with 5 kinds of lighting source and I can still see the lighting effects no problem. The lighting effect actually emitted underneath the keycaps. There's some sort of translucent layers covers the entire keyboard where the lighting effect seems to disperse nicely through that layers. I'm gonna turn off one of the lighting source that I have to give a better look on the keyboard lighting. Nice! Now I'm going to show you all the shortcut in this keyboard. First, function F1 to open multimedia player, F2 and F3 to adjust the multimedia volume, function F4 is to mute, function F5 to stop, function F6 to rewind, function F7 to forward, function F8 next track, function F9 to open email, function F10 homepage, function F11 to access my computer, and function F12 to open calculator. To adjust the lighting intensity, hold function and press either page up or page down. There are 3 levels of lighting intensity. Function and press 1 to change the lighting effect to breathing mode. And that's it. That's the only lighting modes available. I don't know why HP didn't give this keyboard more lighting effects, but it is what it is. Now let's do the sound test. Now I just realized that the HP logo only lights up along with the scroll lock. Here's the non-lock indicator. Now, scroll lock. I don't know why, because the scroll lock got its own indicator right here, but that seems the only way to activate the HP logo. Now there's no light indicator for Windows key lock, but you can lock the windows by press and hold function and Windows key. This keyboard looks very beautiful, especially the keycap design. I mean, it's unique like an antique typewriter. If only it has got a premium version of this keyboard, I will definitely buy it. But actually, there's a more expensive counterpart of this model, which is the K500Y. It pretty much looks the same like this keyboard, except they got a chrome finish keycap and the blue switches. I felt a K500Y is just a cheaper version of GK400Y, and it's marketed for those who doesn't even care about all that flashy lighting modes, doesn't mind to use a silent membrane instead of clicky mechanical blue switch. I mean, those blue switch are loud. If you're that type of person, just grab K500Y. There's a huge price gap between K500Y and GK400Y anyway. The latter priced at twice of this keyboard price for what upgrades? Well, I'm not really sure because I haven't get a hand on that keyboard. However, judging by the model name, I'm suspecting it's just a GK400F with different keycaps variant. By the way, speaking of membrane keyboard, I have used Razer's Deathstalker for almost 4 years, long time ago, and really membrane keyboard is not really that bad. As for K500Y, the membrane felt rubbery but still maintained its tactility feel, which is great. So if you're on a tight budget, I think you should consider about this keyboard. That's that. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.